Hi my little friends, how are you today? So far we have seen 23 lessons and we have seen long vowels till long O sound. Now we are going to see long U sound. If you haven't seen all the previous lessons already, I suggest you please do so. I have added all these videos in a playlist and you can find a link for the playlist in the description box below. Let's start with the long U sound. Unlike the other long vowel sounds, long U can be sounded in two different ways. Long U as in you or duty and long U as in pool. Just like the other vowel sounds, long U is made with different combinations. First way of reading a long U is when you have some consonants followed by a U and again some combinations of vowels and consonants. Like this. Unit. Can you think of another example? Right. Duty. Duty. Another way to read a long U is when you have some consonants followed by a U, a combination of some consonants and then an E in the end. Like this. Mute. Mute. A word with the other U sound is rule. Can you see the difference? Mute. Rule. Other way of making a long U is when a word has E and W together. EW. Like this. Few. Few. And the other sound can be made like this. Blue. Blue. Another way of making a long U sound is when you have two O's. Like this. Room. Moon. Lastly, when you see a U and E together, that makes a long U sound too, like this. Glue. Glue. The other sound can be made with dew. Can you see? You still have UE, but one combination makes dew and the other combination makes glue. Good job. Let's see some more words. Use. Use. Cube. Cube. Music. Music. Mule. Mule. Rule. Rule. Flute. Flute. Mew. Mew. Stew. Stew. Dew. Dew. Flew. Flew. Food. Food. Moon. Moon. Glue. Glue. Blue. Blue. Good job. With that, we have covered all the long vowel sounds too. And if you see our progress now, we have 35 sounds out of the 44 sounds in the English language. Isn't that amazing? Yes. Now we will meet in the next lesson to see our controlled vowel sounds. Till then, make sure you watch all the previous lessons and practice with your parents. Let's meet in the next lesson. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.